Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if Microsoft Edge appears to be opening in a new tab or window. So whenever you're opening up the browser using Bing search engine, and I'm going to show you how to resolve that issue. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft browser. And then makita mo dito na Microsoft Bing search engine yung gamit natin. Okay, so in the next step ay dito lang sa top right corner, select mo lang yung 3 line icons, click mo lang ito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings, so i-click mo lang itong settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung more, so click mo lang itong more. And then dito sa more, makita mo dito yung search, and then scroll down ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung result, okay? So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong dalawang options na to, na open links from search result in a new tab or window, so uncheck mo lang ito. And then yung pangalawa ay open links from news results in the new tab or window, so uncheck mo ulit ito, okay? And then next ay kailangan mo lang click tong save. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Microsoft Edge Bing results opening links in a new tab or window. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.